Welcome to this channel. Kwaba, so subscribe boy, so hit the subscribe button. Now like a video where ever boy and pass the bay be putting into the top rank search.
Right? Same tree, right? Same tree. So then first time what channel so hit the subscribe button, then like a video, share video, so that be reach the top searches. And the same tree a very simple problem or Leetcode. So also am I two binary trees, am I the root of those the root of or the tree node of those two trees, right? Into am I one and one. Into really one and one ni into am I one and one now. Or say yen check it same. The left and the right subtrees of the root of what he's giving us on right are the same. Into the left of 1 a 2. The left of 1 we see 2. The right of 1 we 3. The right of this one so a 3. Into very returning true because 1 2 3 a equal to 1 2 3, right? Into here another false one. Into on my one no one where the left of 1 we a 2 and the right of 1 we a 1. But the left of this one a1 and then the right a2 into 1 and 2 and the same and a 2 and 1 and the same thereby returning false, right? And I say a bit me step it through by iterating through it one line by one line, right? Or one node by one node, right? So we can do recursion, we can do iteration, right? Iteration is a little bit easier to understand, right? Into you ever solve this problem using iteration so that will be to me follow the solution. Okay, Ainty, let's start with the code name. Shall say bit Matthias here. Ainty, data structure may use you. Bit may use stack, bit may use queue, bit may use any data structure. If you say you can get two nodes and compare those two nodes, right? You can use a queue bit my well. I'll use a stack, I'll use a queue, and so we see the difference between the stack and the queue, right? And the first thing I want to put in my stack the node, not the amount, the P and the Q, and I have to put them together into. I have to use this, right? Because I'm comparing them together. Can we compare them separately? Then I wouldn't need this close parenthesis, right? Because I'm comparing them together, I have to compare them as a tuple, right? Into I put them in the stack and I say the while stack, right? While there's something in my stack, as long as it be what stack in quantity, because at a point you be using many free stack, you using many free stack, your friends say you use 2 free stack in my now you will be saying say 2 our left and our right, right? Two left and right, any 2 in the left and the right, into you will have nothing in our stack. At that point you have to eject. Nti bibi share stack no ma your node 1 and I say your left node of the stack no any your right node no of a stack no ebe the stack dot pop, right? Your pop stack no of instead nyama me no go stack no the p share left and the q share right of the stack into your pop stack na your left node no be node 1 and your right node be node 2. It is one of them enye node if one of them a null still na you see a twice on you compare the left and the right, right? Because you have one with the left a null and one with the right a null, right? But just because the left a null and the right a null in say still na in the same tree until you see a compare, right? Because a bit my say the left I go so left a null nanka 2 share right and can be the same tree into the fact say bakoya no no nche say enye the same tree into once as long as say one of them and an na enye node that it's still it could be the same tree, right? We na left in your node or sen you think when the right and the 2 and can left when na left ebe no and just say any the same tree. It's still we want to continue, so we literally want to say continue, right? But in case bako a false just bako any node right? Say node who will compare nima mean if me compare 1 and 2 na say 2 any ho me need 2 now is a mean compare, right? Okay. In send me no ni ho there good. Pass about kuni ho near just say false, right? In the Yanfan say me 1 dot left a2 na 1 dot left a null. I can compare mean compare 2 and a null into my return false, right? But say 1 Yanfan say again Yanfan say 2 in esha and share right and share left bank share right and can 1 dot left and 1 dot left meaning na be null. And it still now I can compare, right? Into na hana continue but hana air false, right? Into say baako nyɛ null na ne mmienu na so nyɛ null. Next is we have nodes in each side of our nodes, right? Till now ne pɛ compare. The obi say node 1 value say any node 2 value ɛnyɛ pa. Say compare 2 ni 1 and 2 ni 1 ɛnyɛ pa. What do you want to return? You want to return false, right? Say ɛnyɛ false then we want to also compare the left side of it and the right side of each of those nodes, right? Into see a stack now the node 1, right? The node 1 right a better so the node 2 so right at so because you compare right here now compare left right. Into compare left and right and then compare right to left. Into here the node went so ebia so right left so a better so and you go through the same process na you be saying who say eyepe enye pa baako ini ho na baako ni ho a na say false se ni menu ni ho dia yen twas yen compare, right? It's the same thing here you go through where ni enya any false value and it is ni na eyepe because so node 1 node 2 eyepe na se ni menu na ni left na ni menu na ni right and as ni menu na any ho a na just say eyepe, right? Into you really pese return true. So you in any false balance if you return it true. Into you run code we here. Right? It's a submit here. You heard it, right? This is a good solution, right? You bet me so you use queue instead of a stack, right? How a queue you be using say your syntax keke and a better syntax or some places in the best intuition we instead of say pop it out of a stack, right? Stack you pop it out, but queues you pop it, but queue we need to tell exactly where we are popping out from the queue. In terms of we're in the queue, first element to queue in this is the first thing in the queue, and we can pop out the first thing, right? Some people use to pop left. It's the same thing. Pop left and the first thing is similar, right? Into who used to pop left, they pop it the first thing in it, right? Who used to pop 0, you're literally saying say pop the first thing out of it, right? Into literally the same code, right? You will be saying the same kind of questions because it doesn't change the logic behind it. Data structure now you use any assistant into you use queue, right? The only thing that changes here using the pop left and the pop left and the pop and the pop, right? Pop left bulb telling exactly what to pop, right? Apologies, if it's where I'm calling stack because I'm defining stack, right? But you see how close our code is. Our code, like a little bit of things just change, right? Literally, yes, just a saha and it's the same DNA woman, but a different type of data structures. It shows you say your data structure does not even really go into the logic behind your solution, right? The logic near solution here seen data structure be so data structure not and the whole say about wow about what you may use. You can actually write this in a recursive way, comparing each node, right? But you use recursion or how you use iteration but you can solve this recursively if you want to, right? Say anything be any aya or hana so want to please put it in the comments below. Mami who the on tia say na men try na men show us here, right? The abusian for your best shaping.